Passage 13 Start. While arguing this matter, Mr. Mohammad Akram Sheikh, learned senior advocate Supreme Court for the applicant, has contended that the applicant has earlier filed Constitution Petition number 51 of 2010 in which the issue inter alia was with regard to shifting of channels by the cable operators. He has referred to the order dated 4/10/2010 wherein Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, Senior Advocate Supreme Court, appearing for the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority (PEMRA) during his submissions had requested the court for appointment of a mediator to supervise that the smooth running of both channels is not obstructed in any manner. It may be noted that the two channels before the court were ARY Digital and Geo News on 11/11/2010. Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, Senior Advocate Supreme Court, again requested for appointment of an independent person with consent of the learned senior counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Javed Jabbar, ex-senator, was appointed as a mediator. Mr. Javed Jabbar submitted his report on 8/12/2010, upon which on 13/8/2012 the court passed the following order. Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, Senior Advocate Supreme Court, states that the grievances of the petitioners have been redressed in pursuance of the report of Mr. Javed Iqbal, mediator, appointed by this court. According to him, at present there is no live issue requiring adjudication by this court. Mr. Muhammad Akram Sheikh, Senior Advocate Supreme Court, in Constitution Petitions number 46, 47 and 51 of those are thus is on journal adjournment. However, believing the statement of the learned counsel appearing for the PEMRA, we tend to agree with him and dispose of these petitions with the observations that, if need be, the learned counsel for the petitioners in Constitution Petitions number 46, 47 and 51 of 2010 may approach this court for the revival of the same. The grievance of the applicant as raised by its senior counsel was that the PEMRA was not abiding by the report of mediator and the subsequent orders passed by this court on it. Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, learned senior advocate Supreme Court for PEMRA, was present in the court as a caveator along with Mr. Zahid Malik, head of legal department PEMRA, and on instructions from Mr. Zahid Malik, Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, learned senior advocate Supreme Court, stated that the PEMRA shall abide by the terms of order dated 13/2012 passed in Constitution Petition number 51 of 2010, by which the report of Mr. Javed Jabbar, the mediator, was made part of the said order, and that the PEMRA will ensure that there is no shifting of the channels contrary to or in violation of the order dated 13/2012. On such statement of Raja Muhammad Ibrahim Sati, learned senior advocate Supreme Court for the PEMRA, Mr. Muhammad Akram Sheikh, learned senior advocate Supreme Court for the applicant, stated that he is satisfied with such statement and the application in such terms may be disposed of. The civil miscellaneous application number 2774 of 2014 in the above terms stands disposed of. This order, however, shall not preclude PEMRA from exercising its regulatory authority in accordance with law. Full stop and clause.